Hi, this video may show you how you may protect your system, Windows 10 system, against ransomware. So ransomware is currently around it's a increasing threat, and they are typically at the moment in hospitals in America. And what does a ransomware do? They encrypt your files or folders on your system, and then they offer you to pay money to a Bitcoin system. But anyways, they won't give the decryption key back. So always the money is lost. And I know two companies here now in our city who had a ransomware attack, and they lost a lot of money. So the first solution would be that Microsoft would deactivate the encryption of folders, or they would increase the authentication. So they, like all Windows access would be necessary. But anyways, there's also already a protection inside of Windows 10, and I want to show you how this works. So what you have to do, you go to your taskbar, and there to the search button, and then you type ransomware, ransom without a D, ransom, and then when you have ransom, you come to ransomware protection in your own language, in English. So you click on ransomware, and then you are in the Windows security dialog, and there in the ransomware. Then you have to activate the folder, so the visualized folder or supervised folders. You click on there, and then you have this extended dialog, and then you will have also to go into the protected folders. Now when you are there, you have to add the folders which are important for you. So you should take in there your data folders, your file folders, all the stuff which is important for you. Drop your stuff in there, so you have your stuff, your data protected. All what on your system is you always need the data. Data is the top and go for Windows. The programs and all that stuff, the applications they may go away, but the data files, folders, all that stuff and your work folders are necessary to protect them. So when you have added those folders, select them, add it to your folder system, and then everything should be done, and keep this one activated. And for the first moment you're protected. Then I would suggest that you write an email to the feedback to Microsoft, where there's the feedback hub, and tell them that they should deactivate the encryption of folders, or increase the security so that not software may automatically run the ransomware, since this is a big big failure on the system on Windows 10, and it causes a lot of economic damage. So keep in mind that you activate if possible, you activate your ransomware protection in Windows 10.